Personalizing emails by location in Brevo means building an automation that uses a conditional split to route contacts down different email paths based on their country, city, or region attribute. Start by logging into your Brevo account. Open your browser, head to app.brevo.com and enter your credentials. Once the main dashboard loads, you'll see the sidebar on your left. Before you even click automations, do a quick sanity check. Click contacts, open a handful of profiles, and look at the country, city, or region fields. If those are empty, the whole setup falls apart because the split will shove everyone into the default branch. You can bulk import location data via CSV or make sure your sign-up forms collect it. Assuming the data is there, click automations in the sidebar. That page lists every workflow you've ever built, along with their status and a few quick stats. If you're starting fresh, it's empty. Click the blue Create an Automation button near the top. Then pick Create from Scratch, not from a template. Starting from scratch opens a blank builder canvas. That canvas is where you'll see every block you add, and it gives you full control over the branching logic that makes location personalization actually work. The first block any automation needs is a trigger. Click Add a Trigger right in the center. You'll now see a list of possible events. The one I reach for most often is contact added to a list, because that fires the moment someone lands in a specific list. But if you're capturing location from a sign-up form, select Form Submitted and then choose the exact form. Once you pick your event, hit Save. The canvas updates. You'll see a rounded start node with the trigger name and one arrow pointing down, ready for the next step. Now click the little plus icon directly beneath that trigger node and choose Conditional Split. This is the engine room. The condition builder slides open. From the attribute drop-down, scroll until you find country or city or region, depending on what you've stored. I stick with country because it's the least likely to have spelling variations that mess up your conditions. Set your first condition. Say you have contacts in the US. Choose country, then the operator is, and type United States. Now click Add Condition and do the same for the next country, maybe Canada. Brevo creates a separate path on the canvas for each condition you define. Before you save, look for the checkbox labeled Add a Default Branch for Other Contacts. Tick that box. I cannot stress how often people skip it. I once ran a campaign for 4 European countries and forgot the default. Contacts from Switzerland got nothing because they didn't match any of my rules. The default branch catches everyone else, people with no location data or from a country you didn't list. Click Save. Now the split node shows, with labeled branches for US, Canada, and default. Your canvas just got real. Time to attach the emails. For each branch, find the plus sign at the end of that path. Click it and choose Send an Email from the Actions menu. A template selector opens. Create or pick a template that's tailored to that specific location. Maybe the US branch gets a template promoting a free shipping offer, while the Canadian branch highlights a different product line or event. Name these templates in a way you'll instantly recognize 6 months from now, like US_spring promo or Canada_welcome_series. If you ever need to edit one later, you'll thank yourself. After selecting, click Save. Repeat for every location branch. For the default path, I use a general welcome email or a best-of newsletter that doesn't assume anything about where they are. Without an email on every branch, contacts on that branch will simply stall. No bounce, no error, just a silent failure. So make sure every path ends with a send action. When you're done, the canvas shows a clean flow. Trigger, split, then multiple email blocks all funneling to completion. Right before you activate, click the Test Workflow button in the top right corner of the builder. Brevo will ask for sample contact profiles. Pick one contact whose country is United States, one with Canada, and one with no country data at all. Run the test and watch the log. It'll show exactly which path each contact took and which template was queued. This is your chance to catch typos in condition values or a template that got assigned to the wrong branch. I've lost count of how many times I found a country name mismatch where I typed US instead of United States, or the condition was set to contains and matched a partially similar word. After you confirm everything lines up, hit Activate. The automation goes live instantly, and from that moment on, every contact hitting your trigger will slide down the right branch and receive the email matched to their location. You've just built a location-based email personalization workflow inside Brevo. Next, let it run for a day or two, then open the Automation Statistics tab and compare open rates per region. That data tells you which localized content resonates best. When you need to adjust offers for a specific country, just swap out the template on that branch. The logic stays untouched. Now go ahead and set it live.